Hello guys, welcome back to our channel bandagech. Friends, this channel is totally about free airdrops. We have been watched many videos on YouTube about free airdrops, but they ask small fee of BNB, Ethereum or gas, which means they require gas fee. But on this channel, through this platform, I daily upload a video about free airdrops which requires no fee. Today I am with a new video with super airdrop. So before wasting time, let's start our video. Before starting video, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel because I upload every day video about cryptocurrency and free airdrops which requires no fee. So let's start our video. Guys, today I brought super WAG token. Link has been given in the description. After copying the link, you have to go in Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet dApps. When you tap on dApps, paste contract address. Guys, you can see here claim your free WAG. After pasting the address in search bar, we see a roadmap of a vaccine finance token. When we scroll down, we see about WAG finance proof of human life and their roadmap. Guys, this is amazing project. This is a really highest return token, but this also requires a no fee. We can see here utilization, awareness and charity about the project of WAG finance token. When we scroll down, there are lots of information about the WAG finance token, and we study strategic partnership, and there are also a way how to buy. They say about create a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, Math Wallet, Token Pocket. And second option is you have to select Binance Smart Chain. This token is a listing about on Pancake, Swap, and maybe in few months this will be listed on Binance Smart Chain. We can see here the future planning of this token. They say WAG finance token symbol VAC and token type BIP20 and token platform BSC network. BSC network is very famous, and when we see about our roadmap, we see WAG finance project Q3, Q4, Q1, Q2. So this is really amazing project, and I am telling you how to claim this token. So we go back to the Trust Wallet and copy our BIP20 address. When we go back to our Trust Wallet, so we tap on Smart Chain, and after Smart Chain we have to select receive. After tap on receiving, there is address of BIP20 Trust Wallet. So we have to first copy this. After copying, we go back our dApps and paste same. So here is enter BSC address. So we have to just paste, and after paste we have to claim. When we tap on claim WAG, friends, they have also most popular referral program, but we have to just claim free WAG token. So after claiming this, we have to copy contract address. Contract address is also given in the description. After copying contract address, we have to just paste in search bar to add token, vactoken in our trust wallet. Guys, we see here distribution is started on 4th of the July. So this is very really amazing project, and this will be highest return investment also. So we have to just copy the contract address. So we go back to in trust wallet, our trust wallet, and we add here token. So the right side of the corner of this screen, we tap on this and put contract address. So after pasting contract address in search bar, so here is you can see the vaccine finance VAC BIP20 token is available here. We have to just enable this. After enable the token, we can see in our wallet VAC finance token is available. As we know, the distribution of this token is started from 4th of the July. So guys, don't miss this chance. This is totally free airdrop, and this will be proof like highest free highest. Guys, please like this video and subscribe our channel so that I upload video every day about cryptocurrency and free airdrop. And also our Telegram channel link is in description. So if you have any query about cryptocurrency and you can ask everything about cryptocurrency altcoins from Telegram link. So thanks for watching.